Okay folks, my Tmaxx. I was having problems starting and running at stock settings. The high speed needle, I have set that at 2.5 out as per spec, and the low speed needle is set flush with the carb as per spec. Got a new glow plug and I got some brand new fuel, so hopefully I'm eliminating some issues. It's not purged or anything yet, so let's do this front to back. Glow stick on. Blow in to purge. Fuel's at the carb. First run. Oh, and the idle is set at where it should be. Let's go. Not much happening at stock. So what I'm going to do next is pull out that high-speed needle a bit. When I did that before, it seemed to run pretty good. So, better. It would start. See you in a bit.